So we're going to look at the SAT Practice Test 1, Section 4, which is the calculator portion, and we're looking at questions 16 through 20. So it says the graph above displays the total cost in dollars of renting a boat for 8 hours. Which of the following represents the relationship between C and H? So we have an initial cost of $5. So what we start off with is $5. So we write this initial cost is $5. And then let's see if we can get a slope right here. So we draw a line from here, and we draw a line from here. So let's look at the rise is going to be from 8 to 5. So slope is going to be rise over run. So let's do it this way. We go from 8 to 5. We have -3, and then the run is -1, which is equal to 3. So the equation for C is going to be $5 plus $3 per hour. Or we can write it as, if we write it as y equal to mx plus b format, C equal to 3h plus 5, where 3 is the slope of the line. Number 17, the complete graph of the function f is shown in the xy plane above. For what value of x is the value of f of x at its minimum? So what that means is we're going to look for the lowest point on the y-axis. So we're going to look right about here or right about here. So we're looking on the y-axis. So here we can see that this is the lowest part of the graph, and we need to find out the x value at that point. So we have -1 here, -2 here, -3. So this point here is -3, -2 is the minimum. So the x component is -3. In the xy plane, if the point 0, 0 is a solution to the system of inequalities above, which of the following relationships between A and B must be true? So we're going to plug in the origin for each of these points, each of these inequalities. So the origin is 0, 0. So we have y is less than -x plus a. So we plug in 0. So 0 is less than a. Okay. And then we have y is greater than x plus b. So 0 is greater than b. So what we have here is a is greater than 0, and we have that b is less than 0. So which means that a is a positive number, b is a negative number, so a is greater than b. Number 19, a food truck sells salads for $6.50 each and drinks for $2 each. The food truck's revenue from selling a total of 209 salads and drinks in one day was $836.50. How many salads were sold on that day? Okay, so we have salad is $6.50 each, and a drink is $2 each. So we have number of salads is S. Okay, so 6.50S plus 2.00D is equal to $836.50. So that's the total cost. Now let's look at the count. And then we have salad plus drink equal to 209. So I'm going to use the method of substitution. So I'm going to sub out the D. So let's get the value of D. D is equal to 209 minus S. So I'm going to substitute this value of D into the first equation here. So we have 6.5 S plus 2 times 209 minus S equal to 836.5. So 6.5 S plus 418 minus 2S equal to 836.5. So we have 4S plus 418 equal to 836.5. I'm going to subtract 418. And I have 418.5, and then I have 4S. So this should be 4.5. This is 4.5S. So now we divide by 4.5 on both sides. 4.5. So S is equal to 93. So we have 93 salads sold on that specific day. Alma bought a laptop computer at the store that gave a 20% discount off its original price. The total amount she paid to the cashier was P dollars, including an 8% sales tax on the discounted price. Which of the following represents the original price of the computer in terms of P? So let's call X the original price. Let X be equal to the original price. Okay, a 20% discount means she paid 80% of the price. So this is going to be 0.8x. So that's what the listed price will be for her. But she also paid tax at 8% tax. So she's going to pay 80% of the original value plus 8% of the listed price. So this is what ends up becoming P. So we can factor out 0.8x actually. So it's going to be 0.8x. We have 1 plus 0.08. So we have 0. This is equal to P. 0.8x 1.08 is equal to P. So we want to find out the original price. So the original price is going to be, we divide by 0.8 multiplied by 1.08. 0.8 multiplied by 1.08. So the original price X is equal to P divided by 0.8 and multiplied by 1.08. That is this value.